Catalytic converter replacement cost, part and labor prices. Catalytic converters help prevent carbon monoxide and other harmful gases from contaminating the air we breathe outside. Although it's unlikely that you'll ever need to repair or replace yours, they do occasionally break. The majority of catalytic converter issues are related to the engine. Today, we're diving into a common concern for car owners: catalytic converter replacement cost. We'll break down the lifespan of a catalytic converter and provide valuable insights. So, if you're curious about what to expect when facing this essential car repair, keep watching. Okay, let's get down to it. How much does a catalytic converter replacement cost? Depending on the model, a replacement for a direct fit option can cost anywhere between $300 and $2,500 simply for the part. Also, keep in mind that installing the converter could cost between $70 and $130 per hour of labor. You will save money on labor if you perform this task yourself, but the catalytic converter itself is sometimes the most expensive part. Although the task can be time-consuming, it's frequently not too challenging, especially if you purchase a direct replacement catalytic converter. To cleanse toxic exhaust gas, the catalytic converter uses platinum, palladium, or rhodium as a catalyst. They are expensive, ranging from $59.70 to $260.42 per gram, and hard to find. It follows that the cost of CATs will fluctuate along with metal prices. Don't just throw your damaged catalytic converter. The damaged catalytic converter can be recycled, preserving the precious metal inside. Before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more automotive insights. Hit that subscribe button now, and let's get right back into it. Now, how long do catalytic converters last? The brand and type of the car, the driver's behaviors, and maintenance routines are just a few of the variables that might affect a catalytic converter's lifespan. Generally speaking, a catalytic converter with regular maintenance can last up to 10 years or 100,000 miles or longer. However, extreme conditions, such as exposure to tainted oil or fuel, could cause the converter to fail early. The converter may also wear out more quickly if the engine is improperly tuned or if the exhaust system is malfunctioning. The catalytic converter can survive as long as feasible with regular upkeep and inspections. In conclusion, understanding the cost of catalytic converter replacement is crucial for budgeting and maintaining your vehicle. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with others, and subscribe for more car-related content. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, drive safely.